Hello, beta. Let us start with 1.2 of Todaro and Smith. In this part, we will go ahead and discuss how living levels differ around the world. अब ध्यान से समझो. पहले let's take a summary of it, then we will read it out. I can divide the entire world according to different levels of income. अगर हम अपने ही आसपास देखें, we will be able to go ahead and see people who don't have good clothes to wear, who wear, sometimes they just take clothes from other people and they're wearing that, who don't have good slippers to wear, उनके पास अच्छे जूते चप्पल नहीं होते हैं, who may not have a pakka house, they may not have good home to live in. And on the other hand, we can see how Ambanis are going ahead and celebrating so many events for just one marriage. एक शादी के लिए वो कितने सारे इवेंट कर रहे हैं. How much they are spending on just getting one child married. That is the amount of income that differs within the country. India के अंदर ही इतना income का difference है. Now, this is within a country. Now, imagine a developing or underdeveloped country and compare it with a developed country. Compare करो दोनों को. You will realize that there is a lot of difference. है ना? अगर हम imagine the poorest of poor people in the underdeveloped country and richest of rich people in the developed country, उन दोनों के income में कितना difference होगा? So the living standards, they differ drastically. बहुत ज़्यादा difference है between the living standards. There is a drastic difference between the living standards. There are some people who are living under poverty, and there are some people who are living very lavishly well. ठीक है? Based on these living standards, अगर हम लोगों के living standard के basis पे divide करना start करें, we can go ahead and we can make 4 different groups of people. हम 4 अलग-अलग group बना सकते हैं लोगों के. The first group that I have, that group is called as the bottommost group. Now, more than 1 billion people in the world, they are living below the poverty line. वो इस bottom group में रहते हैं. What are the characteristics of this bottom group? They are deprived of nutrition. उनके पास खाने को अच्छा खाना नहीं है. The diet that they are taking is not a nutrient rich diet. They are eating anything that they get, anything that is cheap, right? So they are deprived of nutrition. They are deprived of good health. They will always be suffering from one or other disease. They are deprived of even primary education. वो पहली से लेके 5वीं क्लास तक भी नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं. They don't complete their education from 1st to 5th class. तो ना अच्छा खाना, ना अच्छी सेहत, ना अच्छा एजुकेशन सिस्टम. They are deprived of all these things. उनको ये तीनों ही चीजें नहीं मिलती हैं. अगर हम डॉलर्स में 2018 ईयर के हिसाब से बात करें, तो the income that we are talking about, their income is less than 1.40 per day. $1 से $1.5 से कम पैसा पर दिन का उनको मिलता है. They're earning less than $1.40 per day. They will go ahead and get used clothes, used flip-flops और barefoot. कभी कभी वो नंगे पैर ही होते हैं. कभी कभी जो उनकी चप्पल होती है वो बहुत ज्यादा घिसी हुई होती है या बहुत टूटी हुई होती है. So they either have barefoot or flip-flops, right? Or they are going ahead and they are using used clothes. They are one of the poorest community in any country. ठीक है? Now, an example of this is actually the eastern part of Africa. ये जो इकोनॉमीज होती हैं, they are called as subsistence economy. Subsistence economy means they are living with minimum subsistence. सबसे minimum से minimum चीजों के साथ वो अपनी जिंदगी व्यतीत कर रहे हैं. They are living their life with the minimum things available to them. Minimum things. ठीक है? बहुत जहां रह रहे हैं वहां की सड़कें अच्छी नहीं है, वहां पे स्कूल अच्छे नहीं है, वहां पे अस्पताल अच्छे नहीं है. सो वेयर दे आर लिविंग with very very few roads, Roads are not pakka roads, they are kacha roads. Houses are not pakka houses, they are kacha houses. The schools are very, very less schools in the locality. People send their children to school irregularly. Child employment is there, है ना? Then low enrollment rate in the schools. People don't send their children to school. More travel for water. पानी लाने के लिए, पानी लेने के लिए they have to travel miles. Malnourished children, बच्चों के पास न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं होता, उन्हें कुछ ना कुछ इशू होता है. Lack of proteins and nutrients in the diet. Three-fourth of these people live in the rural area. तो ऐसा देखा गया है कि जो भी ये, जहां पे भी ये लोग पाए जाते हैं, ऐसे लोग जिनके पास कम पैसा होता है, ज्यादातर वो रूरल एरिया से आते हैं. 3/4 of these people live their life in the rural area. राइट बेटा? अच्छा, देन वी कम टू सेकेंड लोएस्ट स्ट्रेटा. मतलब बॉटम सबसे नीचे है, बॉटम इज एट द लोएस्ट, देन वी हैव come one level up and we are calling it as second lowest strata. These people are also poor. Their average income is 3.80 per day. Close to 3 billion people are living in this strata. इस ग्रुप में about 3 billion लोग आते हैं. There is an equal chance कि they can live in rural area also and they can live in urban area also. They are comparatively better off as compared to the first group. अगर हम पहले ग्रुप के कंपैरिजन में बात करें तो ये comparatively better off रहेंगे. They have bicycle as mode of transport. They will get water from a tap at walking distance. बहुत दूर दूर चलने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़े से ही डिस्टेंस पे पानी उन्हें मिल जाता है. They will get water from tap at a walking distance. They will see improved flow, but their sleeps will be disrupted. And they will face from some kind of MDP, मतलब मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी में, जहां पे आप पुअर हो सकते हो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, इनकम. दे विल सी पॉवर्टी ऑन सम एस्पेक्ट. Maybe they will not be able to afford good education or good health or good sanitation. किसी एक component में they will be suffering. Right? So they suffer from some component of multi-dimensional poverty. कोई एक component से वो face कर रहे होते हैं. The next one that we have, that is called as second highest strata beta. Second highest strata का जो income level है, that is a little more up. So they're earning $15 per day. And we have seen कि अगर हम पूरे वर्ल्ड का 3/4 पॉपुलेशन निकाल लें, they are living below $15 per day. Typically these people live in urban area. यही वो लोग हैं जिनको हम usually we call them as middle class people by global standard. Their job is not stable. A lot of them are working in the informal sector, but comparatively बहुत better off है. They have TV, they have refrigerator, they have bike. साइकिल की जगह दे हैव बाइक. दे आर एबल टू सेंड देयर चिल्ड्रन टू प्राइमरी स्कूल. शायद किसी किसी का सेकेंडरी स्कूल कंप्लीट ना हो पाए. दे हैव मोबाइल फोन, इवन दो इट मे नॉट बी अ स्मार्ट मोबाइल फोन. दे हैव वाटर कमिंग थ्रू देयर टैप. पानी उनके घर पे ही आ रहा होता है. एंड देयर इज हाई अनइक्वालिटी सीन इन सच countries which have measure of your second highest strata. आप देखोगे कि जहां ये सेकेंड हाईएस्ट स्ट्रेटा पाया जाता है, उसी के ऑपोजिट शायद बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स हो और हाईएस्ट स्ट्रेटा भी पाया जाए. So there is a lot of inequality that is seen. At last beta, we have the highest stratum. Close to 1 billion people वो highest stratum में रहते हैं. This is all according to 2018 data. Close to 1 billion people, they live in highest stratum. ये बहुत कंफर्टेबली रह रहे हैं. दे हैव लॉट ऑफ इनकम. दे आर अर्निंग मोर देन $75 पर डे. ज्यादातर जो लोग हैं, दे आर फाउंड इन द डेवलप्ड नेशंस. मोर ऑफ देम आर फाउंड इन डेवलप्ड नेशन लाइक नॉर्थ अमेरिका, वेस्टर्न यूरोप, जापान एक्सेट्रा. ये बहुत प्रिविलेज्ड लोग हैं, जैसे हम लोग, जिनको भाई अलग से बेडरूम्स भी मिल रहे हैं. कंज्यूमर गुड्स लाइक टीवी, फ्रिज, माइक्रोवेव, ये सब भी हम देख रहे हैं. The living standards are good enough. and you will go ahead and you will see them wearing good clothes, you will see them wearing good slippers, shoes milte hain in logo ko, they are wearing shoes. So that is what this kind of people are, which are of the highest stratum. So imagine, just imagine how blessed we are, है ना? कभी कभी जब आप, when you read about other people, when you understand the difference in the living standard of people, you should take a moment to thank God. हमेशा 1 मिनट के लिए आपको भगवान के लिए शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए. You should be thankful to God that you are among the privileged. बेटा, अगर आप ये आज पढ़ पा रहे हो, if you are in your college, you are able to afford this, you are able to study, get a degree, right? Bachelor's degree. You are actually very, very privileged as compared to the world. Believe me. ठीक है? So stop comparing yourself with anyone. Okay, बेटा. So these people, अच्छा, एक बात बहुत important है that people who are born in one strata, they can easily lead their life in other strata due to some reason. जैसे for example, maybe if my parents are very poor, but somehow I get education, I go to Delhi School of Economics, and after reaching Delhi School of Economics, I get a very good placement, and I am able to pull my family out of poverty. So I have been able to change the strata of my family. मैं उनको एक level ऊपर लेके आ पाई. Similarly, sometimes when women get married, then after marriage, their strata may change. It may increase also and decrease also. Okay? So try to understand that people living in one strata may be able to change their strata also. It is possible that the strata might change, right? So some progress can be made, right? You can move from one strata to another. ठीक है? अच्छा, कभी कभी some strata is out of reach. मतलब I may take my entire life, right, to reach the level of, say, Ambani's or Adani's, right? So sometimes a strata may simply be out of reach. Of course, I can give my 100%, but it may be impossible to reach that within one generation, right? Achha, but from one generation to another, the strata can change. Maybe my grandfather was living under poverty, but I am not, right? So it can happen that from one generation to another, with the help of marriage, education, government reforms, etc., your strata can change. अच्छा बेटा, अब यही चारों स्ट्रेटास को ना, I have tried to list this down in a box so that it is much easier for you to understand. देखो, on the basis of cooking, lowest strata through wood fire और ये सब के through cook करते हैं, so you can just go ahead and have some woods around. They cook through the wood fires, right? Then second highest strata में they use kerosene, but basic cooking रहता है. In the second lowest one, in the second highest one, you have your burners available at home, and in the highest one, आपके पास modern appliances, dishwasher, microwave, ये सब हो सकता है. As far as food and nutrient is concerned, यहाँ पे you have high food insecurity, बहुत ज़्यादा malnourishment है, you may not get food. यहाँ पे also there is food insecurity. ऐसा नहीं है कि रोज खाना मिलेगा ही या बहुत nourishment मिलेगा ही. Here you will get food security, but there is always a risk कि कभी आप under nutrition बन ना जाओ, right? And here you are rich, you have diverse diet, you are getting proteins also, vitamins also, etc. But there is a risk of obesity, है ना, which is being seen. US में देखा जा रहा है that more and more younger generation is becoming obese, right? So there is always a risk of obesity. मोटापा आने के chances रहते हैं. Not the right weight. It is wrong, right? Obesity can lead to many diseases, है ना? अच्छा, then we talk about clothing, बेटा. Clothing means used torn clothes, right? यहाँ पे there are inexpensive clothes, ढंग से fit नहीं होते हैं ये clothes. यहाँ पे they are inexpensive but comparatively new. यहाँ पे well fitted, good clothes, sport shoes, etc. etc. मतलब बहुत basic चीज है. You will be able to write this on your own also and understand on your own also. फिर एजुकेशन में आते हैं. हियर बहुत डिफिकल्टी से प्राइमरी एजुकेशन, बहुत ज्यादा ड्रॉप आउट्स रहेंगे. हियर देयर इज प्राइमरी एजुकेशन बट यू कैन अटेंड अ लिटिल मोर. You can finish primary and some part of secondary and you can finish high school also. फिर हाउसिंग में आते हैं. हाउसेज आर सेल्फ कंस्ट्रक्टेड, कच्चा हाउसेज होते हैं. यहाँ पे कंपेरेटिवली बेटर होते हैं, इम्प्रूव्ड फ्लोर होते हैं बट पार्टली कंस्ट्रक्टेड होते हैं. दीज आर मॉडेस्ट एंड बेटर कंस्ट्रक्टेड. और यहाँ पे ये वाले जो होते हैं लास्ट में, दे आर वेरी मॉडर्न एंड मैन्युफैक्चर्ड हाउसेज. फिर फर्नीचर की तरफ आते हैं. आई होप यू विल बी एबल टू राइट इट ऑन योर ओन ऑल्सो. फर्नीचर में बेटा यहाँ पे देयर इज नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ओनली सेल्फ कंस्ट्रक्टेड फर्नीचर. इट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ I'm not sure how many of you follow this journalist. His name is Samdesh. ठीक है? He's an excellent journalist, by the way. I just love the way he just goes ahead and he shoots everything. जो भी जिन भी villages में जाके he is going ahead and doing this. It is excellent. So two of his very recent reels or recent YouTube videos you can say. एक था दिल्ली के स्लम एरिया पे. हाँ, आई वॉन्ट यू टू सी दैट. बहुत अच्छा है बेटा, देखो एक बार जाके. एक दिल्ली के स्लम एरिया पे ही हैड पोस्टेड, और एक ही हैड पोस्टेड ऑन फ्रॉम अ विलेज ऑफ बिहार. एंड वहां पे देयर वाज दिस चाइल्ड इन द इंटरव्यू. देखो बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू है. आई मस्ट से यू मस्ट वॉच ऑल दीज थिंग्स. हाँ, तो वहां पे ना देयर इज दिस इंटरव्यू जो which is from the village of Bihar. I'm not sure what the date would be. Maybe it came recently in my feed. और वहां पर that child, although the entire village, they don't have any amenities. वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा malnourished, malnutrition था. And a lady was telling कि electricity तो होती नहीं है. There is no electricity for many hours. And what they do now, they just take water and they will just spill the water on the land. ठीक है? उससे क्या होगा, जमीन थोड़ी ठंडी हो जाएगी. हाँ, the land will soak in the water. It will become cold so that it is easier for you to sleep on that land in the evening towards the night. You don't feel the heat that the land is emitting. जो भी गर्मी उस जमीन से निकल रही है, वो गर्मी आपको ना फील हो, तो उसके लिए आप जमीन पे पानी छिड़क देते हो. बचपन में ना वी यूज्ड टू आल्सो डू दिस. वी यूज्ड टू नॉट हैव एसीज, ऑफ कोर्स दैट टाइम वाज कूलर वाला टाइम. तो जब व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू फिल इन द वाटर इन द कूलर, उसके बाद जमीन पे ना ऑन द लैंड वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट यूजिंग द पाइप पुट इन द वाटर. इट यूज्ड टू एक्चुअली फील थोड़ा कोल्ड फील होता. दीज आर ऑल natural ways to get rid of so much summer, so much heat that we have these days, है ना? कितना ज्यादा heat waves का time है. So in that interview anyhow, उसमें एक बच्चा था, and that child, I am so impressed with that child. He could quote what Abdul Kalam had said, है ना? Imagine एक ऐसी जगह पे where you don't have money for food, for basic amenities, light is not coming. That child could tell the quotations of Abdul Kalam, right? Beautiful. That is what is the power of education. अगर आप चाहो कि मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, and you educate yourself, believe me, you can break the chains of poverty, है ना? तो this is the same thing. So just have a look at those videos, beta. If I find those, I will put them in the chat section also. I will just put those links for you. काफी अच्छी videos लगी मुझे वो. So one is on the interview with the village of Bihar, and the other one is this Delhi slum area that I'm talking about. So anyhow, so there is no electricity. These are self-constructed houses. ठीक है? But as you move up, तो शायद आपको एक basic table, chair and all of this मिलेगा, but a lot of people will be taking illegal power because they don't have money to afford it. Then as you progress, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी आ जाएगी, टेबल, बेड, फैन, चेयर, टीवी. एंड एज यू प्रोग्रेस फर्दर तो और ज्यादा कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स, वाईफाई, माइक्रोवेव, डिश वॉशर, एक्सेट्रा 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 विल कम इनटू पिक्चर. Same for water. These people will get unsanitary water and they will not get water for days. They have to travel distances to get water. जबकि दूसरे केस में यहाँ पर आपको इजीली टैप वाटर मिल जाएगा, बट थोड़ा चल के यहाँ पे आपको घर के अंदर, हियर यू विल गेट वाटर एट योर होम एंड हियर यू विल आल्सो गेट सेफ वाटर एट होम, सेफ टैप वाटर. देन सैनिटेशन में यू हैव ओपन डेफिकेशन. How many of you have watched this movie? अक्षय कुमार का जो मूवी आया था ना, I just forgot the name of the movie. टॉयलेट एक प्रेम का था. हाँ, तो उसमें कैसे दिखाया जा रहा था कि you had to go to the early morning. Women had to go एकदम early morning and they had to do open defecation, right? Imagine how poor the situation is and how the sanitation is getting, कितना unsanitary है women के लिए, and how it can cause multiple diseases for women, right? So open defecation is there. And then you go to another level and then your toilets improve further, and then of course as your income increases, आप एक better hygienic washroom and better hygienic bathroom, modern bathrooms की तरफ you progress, right? So this is how sanitation works. Same for transport. When you are in the poorest of poorest you have to walk distances, then you buy a bicycle, then bike, then car, है ना? तो as your income level progresses, right, आप हर चीज में एक improvement देखोगे. So this table just goes ahead and shows that. I hope this is absolutely clear to you better. ठीक है? Okay, bache, thank you so much. I will meet you in the next lecture. We will discuss section 1.3 in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.